time.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing this. Yeah.
Life is good. So, you got some words of wisdom?
Pardon?
You got some words of wisdom for this?
Yeah, I don't know. Just God help me.
That's good words of wisdom. So there's our plane over there. We're going to take the 206. These two guys are going to jump out first, and it's going to be us and the one with Pablo. So we're going to be sitting here right like this here. The door's going to open up. I'm going to look out, check out the spot, and I'm going to say, get your feet out. So take your feet and put them on the step, please. Go for it. Go for it. Good luck to you. You see how easy that was when I'm not behind you? It's not going to be anywhere near that easy when I'm behind you. But that's okay. We'll make it work. I'll say cross your arms. Head back. Take a deep breath. Relax. And then it's ready, set, and away we go. So come on out, and we'll roll out this way here. You can step out right now. You got your arms crossed, you got your head back, I tap you on the shoulders, please take your arms and put them out and fly. Look around, see everything, it's freaking amazing. On our canopy, I'll give you the toggle if you're flying the parachute. When we come in to land, I'll land us, but you see what you do with your feet on landing? Straight up in front, let me land first. Okay, your feet straight up, we're good to go.
I've seen your type before, but maybe I'm a stereotype. Got everything I'm looking for, surrounded by the hype. If I tell you my intent, will that end the thrill of the chase? My coming on a bit too strong. I'm coming off as nice, it's like a backup plan. I'm just your backup plan. You got your options. I'm just your backup plan. And you know you get anyone you choose. Yeah, ooh. And you know you get anyone you want. Everyone. Come on, let's do this thing. Let's just give it a go. Yeah, let's get this done before we can no more. This thing's been done before, but it ain't that easy to do. If we don't do this thing, then there's nothing else to do. Got to push a little bit more. This thing's a thing to do. Got to push a little bit more than you used to. Got to push a whole lot further, further than every time before. Go further than before. Go further than before. You threw another wrench in my scheme and you punctured it. Good pitch, big swing, no hit, I miss. You win. Keep swinging for fences, got a hankering for one big hit. But it's time to keep your eyes on the prize with your head up your ass up in the clouds. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do.
You're free, my man.
Thanks a lot. Right on. Congratulations. Yeah, you have done a awesome job.
Lord, I do. Lord, I need you around. Lord, I need your attention. Lord, I need you around.